What's up, guys? I'm mycologist turned YouTuber and ex-con Audra Kim, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make prison wine, aka the alcoholic beverage known as Pruno, using fungi. Now, you may be questioning my credibility, but I assure you, I did go to prison. The only thing you're going to need in your Pruno making endeavors is a bag. And that's basically it. I'm going to be using this bag that I took out of my trash can because it's similar to the ones we had in prison. We all know yeast is used in bread making, but I'm going to tell you right now that it's the most secret ingredient in Pruno making too. The first thing you need to know about the process is that yeast is crucial in fermentation. It essentially eats up sugar and starches and releases carbon dioxide, producing alcohol. With this being said, we are going to need some sugar and starches. Here we have some mushy, rotting oranges and some bread. After acquiring all these ingredients, the next step is to dump it all into the bag. Once you're done, it should look something like this. Now, you may be wondering, when did I put in the secret ingredient? And to answer that question, I didn't. The yeast comes from the air. All you have to do now is keep your bag of Pruno in a warm place for about a week.